Good morning world, Jim Anderson, Thailand here. Welcome to the magnificent Siri residence, northeast Bangkok. Rama 9 is just behind me, very busy road. This is in the middle of nowhere, there's no foreigners here folks, I'm the only one. Why are we here, you may ask? Well, we're here to see Nuch. Nuch actually works around this area, so she's got a few days off work, so hopefully you can have a bit of time with her. And the plan is, we're going to go and do a canal trip, hopefully. That might change, I'm not sure. But came up last night from Hua Hin, and the road's very flooded, especially around Saeb. I'm going to run that footage for you very soon, just show you how bad that was. And I'll show you the room as well. I've got a nice little room here. So it should be a fun day out, folks. Like I said, we're just waiting for Nuch to turn up, and then we'll be out here. Right, room tour, the grand tour. So as you can see, we're right at the end here. I always ask for a quiet room. This is your view. It's a typical Thai soy street, isn't it really? Oh, look at that weather. Rain again, I think. But yeah, that's the view out there. And we're in room 210 here. And I have paid, what have I paid for this? 1,600 baht, it's a promotion for 3 nights. So what's that, about £40? It's not bad, is it? Now it's a very small room, there's 22 square meters, a very small bathroom there, but I think it's going to be all right, to be honest. And that's me filming on the iPhone 13. There we go. So there's your fridge, dressing table. Quite a small double bed that, isn't it? That's not much at all. And then you've got your storage over there in the corner. And these doors here, they do open. I guess if you're a smoker, you could come out here and have a few ciggies maybe. And then what's the view out here again? It's just the soy street, isn't it? There you go. So, 1,600 baht, folks. Did I get a bargain? Or did I pay too much? Well, let us know in the comments. So 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's actually quite warm, isn't it? About 30 degrees already. I'm quite surprised really. So rainy season, has rainy season finished yet? Or nearly? Nearly finished, doesn't it, in Bangkok, yeah. Like I said, I drove up from Hua Hin last night. Some of those roads were flooded, Saeb, some really bad floods. But what about Bangkok? Bangkok's still flooded or not?
Yeah, some
parts.
Even my family house always flood a bit.
Really? But each year it's getting worse, isn't it, I think? Yeah? It is, isn't it? Yeah, there you go. Okay, Bangabi boat station. Here we come. There we go. Oh, she's such a cutie. There we go. So 5 minutes down the road and we're stuck in a traffic jam.
Yeah.
Welcome to Bangkok. Hey? Yeah. It's not a bad little car this though, is it really? How long have you had this now?
8 years.
8 years. Not bad at all. So all you need to do, you need to get your windscreen film replaced, don't you? You need to do that. And you need to sort your aircon out. And then actually, this is going to be a nice little runaround, isn't it? Because we're actually bringing this car down to Hua Hin. So we'll have 2 cars, won't we? Yeah. We'll have this and we'll have the Chevrolet. So that's good. I'll be sport for choice, really. So we're going to jump the car here. This is the mall. Free parking. Oh, they're charging, are they? They charge how much?
First 2 hours for free.
For free.
Next hour 20.
Ah, that's not too bad. Promise no more car videos, but I've just seen this at Subaru in this shopping centre, and look, you get a free tent with it as well. I think that's an amazing idea. So yeah, I'm just going to film this for 1 minute. This is the Subaru. It's a 2 litre, coming in at 1.5 million baht. That's about £40,000. And I really like the idea of the tent up there. If you were going to travel around Thailand or maybe explore, what a great idea, folks. There's your little ladder. It's quite unique, isn't it, really? I'm not sure how far we can go up there, but yeah, isn't that marvellous? lost, look.
We start from E20.
E20.
The more Bangkok station.
Bangkok station, yeah.
And then we go up.
Yeah.
Like that, come to the center pier called Pratu Nam station.
This is Platinum.
Yeah. Pratu Nam station.
Okay. So I hope you can hear me. So that's our stop there that we've got off at for Platinum. And I turned the camera around nice and slow. We've got a Mari Hotel, I've stayed in there. We've got Bangkok Tower. And then we're going to come walk down here. And Platinum should be just around this corner here from memory. I haven't been here for a few years, folks. I might be a bit rusty. And yeah, here we go. I'm pretty sure this green building here is Platinum. Oh, we're getting all lost here. Platinum's over there somewhere.
Yeah.
On the right or left?
Just the
Oh, on the left there. Okay, so we need to cross over here somehow. Gosh, this is going to be a challenge. Okay, can I follow you? Okay, are we going? No one knows what to do. No. They never stop, do they? Look, he's not stopping. Everybody's following me, I don't know why. Don't follow me, I don't know what I'm doing.
I follow you.
No, don't follow me, I've got no idea at all. How do we get across here? Look.
No.
Oh, stop. Stop, please. And we have arrived at Platinum. Let's get up here, yeah. Oh, I know this area. Like I said, I've not been here for about 5 years, but it's slowly coming back to me, folks. I used to stay here all the time, and I have done quite a few races here, actually, to be honest. So, yeah, I know this area, Nuch. I remember it 5 years ago. 5, 6 years ago. And McDonald's is right behind us there, yeah. Do you want to drink, Nuch?
No, thank you.
Sure. Not too far. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so I'm just video or picture. Sorry. You got it? Yeah, thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Another test, another test. We're going? That's really nice, thank you very much. 60 baht, that's a bargain. Brilliant. Right, are we doing McDonald's, look? Do you want to go to McDonald's?
Okay.
Alright, let's go to McDonald's. McDonald's, it's boring, I know, it's boring. It's boring, but it's easy, isn't it? There we go. Okay, let's dig in, let's dig in. Look. So as you can see, this is a very, very busy area down here. And Nuch's gone now, so I'm on my own. We're going to go and check out Platinum. It's like 7 or 8 floors, very, very cheap goods. It's not really my cup of tea, to be honest, but as we're here, I think we'll go and check it out. Maybe we'll find something interesting in here, who knows. But yeah, This is platinum. So the first thing we want to do is just have a quick look at the map down here. Yeah, 7 levels. From memory, there's all women's stuff in here. And I'm just looking at this now. And yeah, it's all women's and child wear. And in fact, men. There you go, men on number 4. So to be honest, it's just all women's stuff. Not really my cup of tea, but yeah, we'll go and have a look on level 4. Well, this is what I love about Bangkok. Look, it's on the pavement. Look, that is absolutely crazy. I don't believe it. And the state of these roads, though, folks, there's no pavement here. It's kind of every man for himself, really. Hello there. Hello, Sally Crab. Hello. Thank you, Crab. Thank you. Look at this. I'm walking against the crowds here. I'm always that one fish going in the opposite direction, aren't I? Now, oh my God, it's a motorbike that stopped at a zebra crossing. That's the first time I've ever seen a motorbike stop at a zebra crossing in Thailand. That's the first. Anyway, so we're just up here, back on the boat for about 45 minutes and back to the Mall. But yeah, what a place. Woo. Okay, thank you. That's all right. Okay, thanks. There you go. So we need to be. In fact, that's our boat there. I don't think we're going to catch that. There you go. So that ferry trip cost me 21 baht, about 50 pence, and I was on it for about 45 minutes. It would have been nice to have had a map or even Google Maps running, but for some reason Google Maps couldn't get it to pick up the river. So I was just counting down the stations. I knew I had to get off at station E20. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward really. And here we are back at this place here. It's called the Mall behind me. And yeah, like I said, I'm just going to kill some time here and wait for Nuch. So it's a really good band, though. It's a really good band.
Home, where my thoughts are escaping home, where my music's playing home, and my lover's waiting silently for me. Tonight I'll sing my songs again, I'll play the game and pretend. But all my words come back to me, chasing me. Trying to hitch a ride to San Francisco.
Take 6. Right, reunited with my little princess at the shopping centre. She came back to my rescue because I was all alone in Bangkok. So thanks for coming back and rescuing me, Nuch.
Hope you enjoy yourself.
Yes, I did.
It's the self-service. Please feel free as your own home.
It's a self-service. No, I love being on my own. I do, but it's good to be back with you.
Yeah.
So I'm going to end this film now, folks. So if you enjoyed it, thumbs up, please, and think about subscribing. And we'll be back soon. Jim Andrews, we're out of here. We're out of here.
Yeah.
Okay, so later.